Hello students, good morning everyone. So in the previous class we have learnt about some questions based upon the reciprocals and everything. So after that we learnt one trigonometry table. We learnt the values of 6 angles, right? So based upon the trigonometry values, now we will learn how to solve the questions based upon the values. So today's first question is sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. So it's a simple question. So we will start. How we will solve this? So let's start. So before solving this question, first I have already said you about the trigonometry table, the values of 6 angles. First you have to keep in mind those values of those 6 angles, then only we can proceed the solutions of these questions. So first sin 60 degree. So can you say me what is the value of sin 60 degree? So sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Okay, then into simply put the values. Cos 30, sin 60 is equal to cos 30. So cos 30 value is also root 3 by 2. In previous class I have said you about the values. Next, plus sin 30. Sin 30 is half into cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30. So cos 60 is also half. Next, what it will become? Root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Next, here you see LCM will be 4. Enough. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4 divided by 4. So 4 and 4 will cancel. So answer will become 1. Okay. This is the solution. So simple. So next move to next question. So this is our next question. So see, this is also same. We have to put the values. So here you see 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So first of all, what is there here? 2. So first you will write 2. Okay. Next, 2 nothing is there means it's into. So 2 into tan square 45 degree. So tan 45 degree value is 1. We already know that 1. But here you can see tan square. See, tan 45 degree value is 1. But here given tan square. So 1 square. Okay. Plus cos 30. Cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. So you will write first, you have to write the value. Then you see here square is there. Cos square. So it will become root 3 by 2 square minus sin 60. Sin 60 value is also root 3 divided by 2. Here you can find sin square. So here root 3 by 2 square. Okay. So it will become 2 into 1 square means 2 into 1 2. Okay. Plus root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. Okay. Minus root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 square is 4. Now plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, plus minus will cancel each other. So remained 2 plus 0 equals to 2. Okay. So this is the answer. So now we will move to next question. So this is our next question. You see here cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. We will learn how we will solve this question. You see, first of all you have to remember all the values, then only you can simplify these questions very easily. So cos 45. So we already know cos 45 degree value is 1 divided by root 2 from the trigonometry table. Now sec 30. You see sec 30, so it's the reciprocal of cos 30 degree. We know cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Here given sec 30 degree. So sec is the reciprocal of cos. It means it will become 2 by root 3. So instead of sec 30 degree, we will put 2 divided by root 3. Then plus, here you see cosec 30 degree. So we will find cosec 30 degree. Here you see for cosec is the reciprocal of sine. First you find sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is half, right? Cosec 30 degree. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. It means sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is reciprocal means 2. So instead of cosec 30 degree, we will put 2 here. Next. Then what it will become? Equals to 1 divided by root 2 divided. Here you see root 3 is nothing is there means 1. Root 3 into 1. Here LCM will become root 3. Next. You see 2 plus 1 into root 3, 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. So it will become 2 root 3. Okay. Next. Here what it will become? 1 divided by root 2 divided 2 plus 2 root 3. It means we can 2 is common here. So in bracket 1 plus root 3 divided by root 3 over. Next. Equals to 1 divided by root 2. It will go up, then it will become root 3 divided by 2 into 1 plus root 3. Okay. Now you see 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2. 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. So how we will simplify this? Here you see 1 plus root 3 is there here. So we will multiply the same by changing this sign. First you have to write the imaginary part. That means root part. Root 3 we have to change this sign. Here plus is there. So here minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. What it will become? So 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. We have to multiply and we have to divide also. So what it will become? Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Then here you see root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by, here you see 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. It means root 3 square minus 1 square. A square minus b square. Now what will it will happen? 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. In bracket you see root 3 square is 3 minus 1 square is 1. So 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. So what it will become? 3 minus root 3. You see 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 into 2 4. Here root 2. 3 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 root 2. This is our solution. Over. See, first of all we found out the values of these angles. Then what we did? Here you see 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 into 1 plus root 3. Then root 3 into 1 root 3 divided 2 root 2 into 1 plus root 3. Then how we simplified it? First this is our imaginary part. You can see 1 plus root 3. So we have to multiply the opposite sign of this imaginary part and we have to also divide it the same. So we have multiplied and we have divided. Then we got a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Then our solution is 3 minus root 3 by 4 root 2. So let's move to next question. So this is our next question. Okay. So let's find. Only we have to put the values first. Yes. Yes na. So here you see sine 30 degree. What is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree. We know tan 45 degree value is 1.